Today I just want to show you how easy it is to put together our mini forge that we made. So we made our DIY firebricks a few months ago, and I've been using the forge for a number of different projects. So I've just got the base piece, a few side pieces, and a smaller end brick, and then the top brick. Now you can see they're a little bit crumbly, but they are holding together quite well considering they were so easy to make. So the top piece I just drilled a hole through with a hole cutting saw, because it's really easy to drill through. And then the last bit to go in is our burner, our forge burner, and we welded it to a plate of metal just so we can sit it on the top, and it's temporary. And that's it. It's as simple as that, and it's a wicked forge. It gets up to well over 1,000 degrees and is great for all the projects that we've been up to recently. If you'd like to see the video on how the forge was made, I'll put it in the description below.